Not only has Intel broken boundaries in the tech world, but we've also broken barriers in what's possible in the entertainment industry. I'm Stephanie Essen, and you'll find out how in this IDZ Weekly. Intel recently broke a Guinness World Record. And no, it wasn't for the highest number of transistors per square inch on the integrated circuit, but that's a good guess. The new record is for the most unmanned aerial vehicles airborne simultaneously. In July of 2018, we launched 2018 Intel Shooting Star drones into the twilight and watched as they painted rays of light against the dark sky. These drones are a type of unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, specifically designed to entertain an audience. And that they did. The drones told a story in the sky, morphing from a caveman to a sea of red to the Intel 50th anniversary logo. The LED-equipped devices create multitudes of color combinations and are programmed to animate figures in the sky. Although the show looks really complicated, the entire army of drones is only controlled by one pilot. To learn more about this particular light show and to get inspired, check out the links provided. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.